congratulations are in order as Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan's bundle of joy has arrived. The couple welcomed a baby boy on February 21. In their recent interviews, the two of them have shared how they are more relaxed this time since they have been better prepared about all aspects, from delivery to raising the child. However, there is one thing that will drastically change. Kareena and Saif have learned a few lessons after their first child together, Taimur Ali Khan, was born, and the celeb status he got thanks to all the attention. As per reports, just like Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma, even Saif and Kareena have requested the media to respect their privacy and not click pictures. They also know that fans will want to be a part of their celebration, and hence they have decided to post regular updates on social media. Now that Kareena is so active on her Instagram and so personal with her posts, we are sure that we will get some amazing pictures and updates about baby number 2 from mommy herself. Now what can get better than this? Meanwhile, in a recent interview with Times Now, Kareena had said, "I guess I am more prepared and confident this time around. I was quite nervous and jittery during Taimur since I was going to turn a mother for the first time. This time around, I am way calmer and thankfully I am not going berserk yet." On being asked about working through her pregnancy, Kareena had said, "Why can't pregnant women work? I do not understand the fuss about it. I have worked throughout my pregnancies and will continue to do even after delivery. In fact, it's good to remain active and on your feet as it's good for the baby's health. I have never really experienced any bias." Kareena did not stop working even during her last trimester, and the diva was often spotted heading out for her shoot schedules. Ahead of the arrival of their second baby, Saif and Kareena also moved into a bigger home, which comes with a plush library, beautiful terraces, a swimming pool, a special nursery for the newborn, with Taimur Ali Khan also getting his own space. Meanwhile, here's congratulating the couple on becoming parents for the second time.